Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can create images like these, right, for your blog posts. These look hyper realistic. These are done with AI. They work for any niche. And again, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it and even use different styles like this one, or this one. So here's how you do it. First things first is you go to tryjournalist.com. That's the site. Just click on dashboard and then log in, right? Once you're in, what you're going to do is go to presets, right? Then create a new preset. Now, don't worry about all of this right here for now. You just want to scroll down to the images tab, right? Now, you're going to go here and select either one of these ones. I recommend you choose DALL-E 3 because these ones look great, right? And once you do, here's where you can select your prompt, right? What do you want your images to look like? You want them to be realistic? Maybe you want them to look cartoonish, right? You want them to look like heavenly, right? You can just play around with this, right? Let's just do cartoon, right? Once that's done, right, you can essentially enable and disable, because these images are only used for your articles, right? And you want them to be just featured images, you want them to be in article images, right? You can also add all the other options because this tool generates articles for you. So if you go here to generate articles, you just essentially what you do is you there's all these modes: simple mode, titles mode, keywords mode. Simple mode, essentially give it a URL, give it a description, select how many articles you want, select language, click generate. Titles mode, just give it a couple of titles, the language, click generate. Keywords mode, the same, right? But we're going to use the advanced mode, which is based on a preset. So let me show you my dog grooming preset, right? I've populated all of this right here, and the images on here, I actually chose stock images. Let me choose DALL-E 3. Let's do cartoon, right? Let me hit generate 3 articles, click generate, right? And then we just wait a couple of seconds here. And for these ones to generate, again, these will be images generated for the dog grooming niche and in the cartoonish style, right? But as I showed you here before, and while this generates, sorry, I want to show you some other ones right here. For example, this was for the poker niche, and these ones, again, were all done with AI, as you see here, right? Some of them look great. These are different styles right here. We've gone for hyper realistic, if you'd like. For example, this one is somewhat realistic, right? But there's a multitude of different images. So let me go back here to the history tab, and let's just wait for this to generate, and I'll show you in a second how this looks like. Right, so here's how they look, right? As we chose before, we chose the cartoonish style, and these are all in the dog grooming niche, of course, all cartoonish or somewhat cartoonish, right? And these are applied to the featured image right here, and also the in-article images, right? These are all filled with in-article images. These also have videos, right, and links in the articles, right? As you can see here, there's links here, and you can just straight post them to our site, right? Skim through these one by one and post them to our site. Or if we'd like to automate the process, we can click here to post all 3 to our site, to our integration. By the way, your integration can be anything you like, really. It can be our WordPress site, Shopify store, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger site, even Zapier, or an external API. And yeah, that's it. If you want to even automate the process even further, just go here to auto blogs. And essentially, once you set up an auto blog, an automatic blog, you can choose how many articles you want to publish and the frequency, right? Every month, weekday, 12 or 6 hours. And you're connecting this AI called Journalist AI with your site. And again, in this case, every day is going to be publishing 10 articles. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can leverage this tool to generate articles and also, of course, images to those same articles. It's called tryjournalist.com. I'll leave a link for it in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.